we will discuss on how to graph linear equations in two variables. For example, graph the equation 3x plus 5y equals to 15. As we can see in this table, there are missing values. In the first column, the missing one is the y. Second column is the x, and in third column is the y. So now, let us find out what are those values for those missing values. So first, let us substitute to x equals to 0. 3x plus 5y equals to 15. 3 times 0, 0, which is the x equals to 0, plus 5y equals to 15. So 3 times 0 equals to 0, plus 5y equals to 15. So 0 plus 5y equals to 5y, then equals to 15. So y equals to 3. But how do we come up this 3? So 5y equals to 15. So we will just simply divide both sides by 5. So then can see so y equals to 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. That's why our y value is 3. Substitute y equals to 2. So 3x plus 5 times 2, which is the y value, equals to 15. 3x plus 10 equals to 15. 3x equals to 15 minus 10, so x is equal to 5/3. So again, how do we come up this x equals to 5/3? So 3x equals to 3x plus 10, so we need to minus 10 equals to 15 minus 10, so we need cancel to the remaining is 3x equals to 15 minus 10. So 3x minus 10 equals to 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is 5, so 3x equals to 5. Divide both sides by 3, so x equals to 5/3. So substitute x equals to 5. 3 times 5 plus 5y equals to 15. So 3 times 5 equals to 15 plus 5y equals to 15. 5y equals to 15 minus 15. That's why our y is equals to 0. So now we able to complete the table. So 0 and 3, 5/3 and 2, 5 and 0. So let us graph now these ordered pairs. So the equation is 3x plus 5y equals to 15. So let us point those ordered pairs. So first is 0 and 3. Second is 5/3 and 2. Then last is 5 and 0. So this is now the graph of the equation 3x plus 5y equals to 15. So this graph is similar to the graph in the GeoGebra. 0 and 3. 0 and 3, 5/3 and 2, and 5 and